Good morning, children. Hope you are safe and indoors. Welcome to the poster making with PowerPoint workshop. Here I am making a poster on the safety rules for the pandemic. After this workshop, you can make any poster regarding the coronavirus and use it to create awareness with the people around you. You can ask your parents to circulate the poster to their friends on their phone. If you have a printer, you can also print it out. Does it sound good? Let us start. To make a poster in PowerPoint, first you should collect the poster materials. You have to sit down and figure out what is going on the poster. Plan for the design, collect photos and data for the poster. Then launch the PowerPoint software. Open a blank presentation. Setting dimension and size of poster is important. So delete everything you see on the slide. Then click on Design tab. In the Customize group, click on Slide Size drop-down list. Choose Custom Slide Size. A slide size dialog box will appear. Select on the drop-down list. I'll go with A4 paper and then click on OK. As the slide is blank, I'll go with Maximize. Now we need to add the content to the poster as I have already made. So I'll just copy and paste it. Now the title. Just move it up. Make sure the order of the poster should go from left to right and top to bottom. You can add your name, class and school at the bottom right corner of the poster. Select the text box, place it. Now let us add an image to the poster. For that, click on Insert tab. From the image group, select Pictures. Select the folder where you have saved the picture and click on Open. Click the picture and click on Insert. You can adjust the size of picture. Now we can move the elements on the poster. Adjust the color. We can align the title So let's increase the size of title. Click on Format tab to edit the shape. Click on Change Shape. I'll go with rectangle. Rounded corners. Can give a shape fill. And shape outline. Can increase the weight of the outline. Yes, here you go. Same thing goes with the content. Can change the shape. Shape fill. Shape outline. Same thing can go with the image as well. Picture border. Yes. So far we are done with the content. Now to make the background attractive, click on Design tab. From the ribbon, choose Themes and select a flashy theme to your background. So I'll go with this. I can also make the text, I can also change the text color. So children, we have done with the poster making. Now it's time to export for printing. So here we go. Click on File and then click on Export. Let us save the file as Create PDF document. Now give a name to your presentation. I'll give and then click on Publish. Here you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy making your own poster. Note to the children, those who don't have laptop can use their phones. Pray for the world and stay safe.